Hi Teaquilters, I'm here at the show and thought that I would show you some of the things that are for sale in my booth. So we're going to start with Africa map pattern. Those are available. They're $12 each. They should be under the patterns portion of my website when you go to products. Over here I have African Queendom pattern, which is $14. And then also you can get the skin tones if you need those for the skin tones. You can get those for $25. Over here is a Villa Rosa pattern. That's Red River. Those are Villa Rosa patterns are all $2. You can use any panel that you like. I'll show you panels later. Over here I have the Wensleydale pattern, which I used a primary rainbow setting to put some spacing in between every other block. The Wensleydale is made from foundation papers. I made mine from templates, but you can make yours easier from foundation papers. $24.40. I don't know if that's on my website, but I will try to get it on there. This here is Boho Heart by Jen Kingwell. Again, this one is not on my site, but I will make sure to get it on there. This is $32.30. And this will all be under the patterns portion of my website. And then the last thing down here is my exploding star made with the scraps from the African prints. The exploding star pattern booklet is $15. Over here we have African Shuffle. It is a pattern that's included with the African Shuffle kit for $112. So you get the pattern included, and then you've got 150 pieces of fabrics that are pre-cut. Other things that we have, I have one of this panel left. This panel is a 2-yard panel, so it's $30. Very nice. It would make like a dashiki you could cut this into. Would be really pretty. All these panels are $15. You've got this panel that you could cut in half and have 2 different panels, or you can use it as one. Have the dove. I have like 5 of this left. 1 of this. This is the only one available. And I have about maybe 10 of these. I had a lot of these, so they've sold, but I still got a lot. So let's show you a couple other panels that I have. I have 1 dashiki panel left, $15, and then these 2 are $14. I got probably 2 less of this one, so probably 4 and 6 of this one. This one is the same kind of pattern, but this one has a green background, and then this one has a black background. So last panel that I have is the chicken panel right there. All right. Kits, pre-cuts. I did the African Shuffle kits. That's the only African kit that I have. Then I have 30 fat quarter bundles at $105 each. And then you have 30 different prints in these bundles. Up here I have layer cakes. Or shall I say tea cakes. You have 20 different fabrics, and you have 2 of each for 40 pieces. I have this package for 1, so if you want just 1, I'm going to send you the current fabric that I cut. And then down here, if you want to order 2, I will send you 1 of each. This was from my previous cutting session. We have tea rolls. Again, have 20 different fabrics times 2, so you get 40 strips. 20 different fabrics in your tea rolls, $41. So that is going to be it for the African prints of anything and patterns. I think I've covered. Also for Teaquilters, I'm going to be giving a discount of 15% will be your discount code. So you put that in and you'll automatically get 15% off anything that you're ordering off of my website. Again, make sure that you are ordering off the website. I will not be doing manual orders. If it's something that's not listed there, just let me know. All right, let me show you what fabric yardage I have. We're going to do the 2-yard bundles, 2-yard cuts that are left. This is an eyeball with the fish and then other African symbols. Have a stripe piece here. We have eyeball where it alternates with purple and teal with a red eyeball center. Have this beautiful eyeball fabric along with this one. So we'll go back and just number these so we'll know what number you're talking about. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. You can also email me a picture if you put yardage in to purchase as well. So we are in the 3-yard cuts of fabric. So I have the 3 yards here on each piece. So this is like African symbols. So that's going to be 6. This is 7 with the basket weave. 8. This is 9. 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so that's in the 3-yard cuts. That's 12. Here's number 13, starting with the 4 yards. 14. So this is 13. This is 14. 15. 16, this is a rooster print. 16, 17, 18, 19. This one has a border down here on the bottom. 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. All 4 yards. Here's 24, another stripe for 25, 26. These were 5 yards. This is 6 yards. Here's 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, these fabrics that I just all showed you, $13 per yard. Now we're at the glitter prints, and the glitter prints are in different yardage increments. So this is a 4-yard cut. They're just all stacked together. They're $15, so that's why they're pulled out. This is a 5-yard cut of this one. I'm going to just call these G1, G2. So we're going to start the numbering over. G1, G2, G3 has 3 yards left. G4 has 6 yards left. G5 has 5 yards left. G6 has 4 yards left. G7 has 3 yards left. G8 has 5 yards left. G9 has 5 yards left. G10 has 6 yards left. G11 has 6 yards left.